Dear all, myself CA Revati Raja, faculty for CA Inter and CA Final Auditing. This is a very short video mainly for those students who are appearing in the July 21 examination. The exams are round the corner, so I would like to wish each and every student appearing for the examination all the very best. I have few tips and strategies with respect to subject auditing, both for CA Inter as well as CA Final Auditing. The most crucial time, the 1.5 days before the examination, try to do following things. First, recall the main sections. Second, recall all the essay or standards on auditing, because that is the crux of auditing where most marks are allotted. Third, try to cover clauses like clauses of CARO. For CA Final, in addition to CARO, you have ethics clauses, GST audit, tax audit, etc. I also suggest you to cover almost all the topics as far as possible, rather than doing a selective study during this 1.5 days. Try to go through the entire portions, because whatever we study during this 1.5 days will stay in our mind more. But it is not possible practically for us to cover each and every nook and corner of the material. So try to use the highlighted points or the notebook or the short notes which you have prepared. And if you feel some areas you lack confidence or some areas you are forgetting more when compared to others, in those areas, try to invest more time. So I repeat, during this 1.5 days of revision prior to the exam day, recall the section, essays, clauses, try to cover as much as possible. And also give attention to those areas which you think is more difficult. With respect to those 3 hours in the examination hall, try to answer with keywords, the words as required. Follow the presentation format, the manner in which you have to answer. The keywords as well as the presentation format is mainly for descriptive questions. Answer to the point. It may be big case study, but read the case study and in the end, they would have asked what as an auditor you would say. So try to answer to the point. Don't write or link wrong essays, inappropriate sections or case law. And now the examination pattern is 30:70. 30 marks for MCQ, 70 marks for descriptive. So do time management. Allot appropriate time for 30 marks MCQ and balance 70 marks for descriptive. So I repeat, during those 3 hours of examination, concentrate on keywords, presentation, don't link wrong sections, try to answer to what they have asked, as well as time management. So I wish you all the very best. Don't get tensed. Don't worry too much, because it may not be good for you during examination time. Take all the safety measures like masks, sanitizers, etc. So wishing you all the very best. My best wishes as well as prayers. Take care. Stay safe.